In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom invoice template in Xero 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a polished, brand-ready invoice you can reuse every time you bill a customer. Start by heading to the Xero login page. Click Login, enter your email and password, and click Login again to continue. If you're prompted for extra verification, complete that as usual. Once you're in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard. From the dashboard, open the menu with your company name at the top of the screen. Choose Settings, then select Invoice Settings. This is where Xero stores your invoice layouts and branding. Click New Branding Theme to create a fresh setup for your custom design. When prompted for a format, choose custom.docx. This option lets you edit a Microsoft Word template using your own logo, colors, and layout while keeping Xero's smart fields. Give your theme a clear name you'll recognize later, then click OK to create it. Next, find your new theme in the list and click Download to get the base .docx template. Open that file in Word or another .docx editor. Here's where you personalize it. Drop in your logo, adjust fonts and colors to match your brand, and tweak the layout to highlight the details you care about. You'll see field codes, often in brackets, that Xero uses to merge invoice data like customer name, invoice number, dates, line items, and totals. Keep those fields intact and avoid breaking table structures so the data flows correctly. If you need extra notes or payment instructions, add them in clearly labeled sections. When you're done, save the file as a docx. Back in Xero, return to the same branding theme. Click Upload to add your customized file. Choose Invoice Browser to locate the save.docx on your computer, confirm your selection, and then click Upload to finalize. Xero will attach your document to the theme and validate the fields. If something looks off, reopen your file, correct the formatting or placeholders, save, and re-upload. That's it. Your custom invoice template is now part of your branding themes in Xero. The next time you create an invoice, you'll be able to pick this theme so your invoices automatically use your new design. For best results, preview an invoice before sending to ensure alignment, image clarity, and tax totals display as expected. If a logo appears blurry, use a higher resolution image and keep it within the header area. With this quick process, your invoices will look professional and consistent every time.